So guys, recently Asus has cut the prices of their devices, and this is one of them. This is Asus Zenfone Max M2, and right now it is costing just 8,000 rupees. And from past month, I am using this device as my primary device. So let's see how is this. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is the full review of this Asus Zenfone Max M2. Let's begin. So guys, before starting this video, if you wanna be my friend or just wanted to see behind the scene of this channel, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram with the handle is TechBuffet, which is over here. With that said, let's begin. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. This whole design is copied from the previous Zenfone Max Pro M1, but the whole phone is built with metal and it feels quite solid in the hand. The top and bottom panels are built with plastics and that is not bad. The plastic quality is pretty good. Aesthetically, it's not that good. It looks pretty basic in terms of my opinion, but it builds really well. And even the buttons are quite good. So overall design and build quality of this particular smartphone is A1. No issues whatsoever in terms of the design and build quality. And on the bottom, it has this speaker grill over here with a micro USB port. That is not that good thing. So moving to the front, it has this 6.2 inches of HD plus display. I was very skeptical when I started using this smartphone, but believe me, it is one of the best display I have ever used, especially if you consider the 720p or HD plus resolution in your mind, because the brightness, colors, saturation, dynamic range, everything is flawless of this particular display. Even the viewing angles are pretty good too, so no issues in terms of display. So moving to the cameras, it has dual cameras on the rear. The primary sensor is 13 megapixel and the secondary depth sensor of 2 megapixel, so that is there. And on the front, it has 8 megapixel sensor for selfies. From the rear camera, it can take really good pictures in the daylighting situation, but when we lose the light, it will definitely not going to perform that good. But the portrait are good enough, you know. Only issue is that the software of this camera is pathetic, guys. Asus, you have to improve the software, otherwise the camera experience is very bad in this smartphone. And the front facing camera is pretty good too. You can take very good selfies from the front facing camera of this smartphone, and also it can shoot 4K videos, guys. This smartphone costs 8,000 rupees and it can shoot 4K videos. Samsung. I'm impressed with the camera capability of this smartphone, but the software is crappy as hell, so please improve that. Now moving to the performance, guys, this is the department where this smartphone shines. It has the latest Snapdragon 632 processor, and I was pretty skeptical about that processor when I got this device, but believe me, it is one of the best processor in this price category. It is kind of a sweet spot between Snapdragon 625 and Snapdragon 636, and the performance is pretty good and very balanced smartphone in terms of the performance. You can play PUBG thanks to that Adreno 506 GPU, so PUBG is no issues over here. For backing that performance, we have 4000 mAh battery and the battery lasts forever. I got around 6 to 7 hours of screen on time with this device, so the battery life of this particular smartphone is pretty good. You can, like, basically it gives you around 1 to 1.5, or I can say sometimes 2 days of battery life, so the battery life is pretty fantastic. Now moving to the software, guys, here I am little bit disappointed. It's not that polished. I can say that the software is the worst part of this smartphone. It is not polished at all. As you see, it has a notch on the front and a lot of content cuts on that notch. It's not perfectly aligned. I am sure there is some issues that will might solve in the future, but till now it's not sorted out. So yeah, Asus has taken a feedback and they might give you some patch, so it will be fixed. So yeah, let's see, let's hope for the best. And by the way, guys, I was talking about the notch. The notch is pretty good, no issues, but the chain is also big, so yeah, no point of giving the notch over here, I guess. So guys, moving to the connectivity, it has dual SIM card slot and both can accept 4G networks very well. Call quality, earpiece quality, very fantastic, no issues in terms of the network and cellular reception. And talking about the sound quality, it has the 5 magnet speaker on the bottom, and the sound quality from the 5 magnet speaker. Yes, 5 magnet speaker is pretty fantastic, no issues whatsoever. And then we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, which also sounds pretty good. So it has face unlock, which is okayish, I can say that. And the fingerprint scanner is okayish, I can also say that. It's okay, it's not pathetic, it's not very good either. So yeah, not every time it unlocked, sometime it failed. Yeah, as you saw, it failed this time. So yeah, accuracy is not that good, otherwise the sensor is pretty good in my opinion. Let's talk about some pros and some cons. So the number one pro of this smartphone is performance. Second pro is decent display, very awesome build quality, amazing battery life, and decent camera. Now let's talk about some cons. The biggest con I can say that is pathetic software experience that I have found, especially with the camera. Then micro USB port in 2008 is not that good, and the fingerprint scanner is not that good. And other than that, if I nitpick, I can say that the chin is pretty large. So yeah, do mind that. So talking about the pricing, guys, this smartphone cost 8,000 rupees right now. And in 8,000 rupees, guys, you are getting a really good smartphone. It's a hard to beat value. So if you're looking for a smartphone for 8,000 rupees, I can surely say that you can do purchase this smartphone. You are not going to regret it. But if you can up your budget to 10,000 rupees, then I will definitely recommend you to go with the Redmi Note 7. So yeah, that phone has Snapdragon 660 processor and of course 1080p display and much better camera. So yeah, overall I can say that it's a very awesome smartphone for 8,000 rupees. If you are getting the smartphone for 8,000 rupees, then just go ahead and buy it. I will leave a link in the description box below. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. If you found this video helpful, then hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, and if you love my content, then please subscribe to this channel, and after that press that bell notification icon so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one in the future. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.